Hello. So today we're going to teach you about how to install the Climber EA. So first, once nakapag-create na kayo ng account sa broker, and then you funded it with the recommended amount that you need to fund for the broker is at least $170. So once you funded it, so then we will install now the EA. So first, I will send you the EA file through your email, and then you can download it. After you download it looks like this. Okay. So it's the Climber 1 fix, and then next, well, after you download it, you need to open your MT4 account. Once you open your MT4 account, you go to file and then open data folder, and then look for MQL4, or look for where did you save the EA. Okay, so in my case, wait, okay, in my case, I check it here. So here, so you need to copy it, Control C or right click and copy, or Control C and then back, back, and then go open MQL4, and then open experts, and then paste it here. So as you can see, it's already there, the Climber 1 fix. So once you paste it, just close the folder, and then go back to your MT4 platform, then open view, say view navigator, and right click here, expert advisors, and click refresh. Okay, the first time when you open it, you will not see the Climber 1 fix. So you need to right click and refresh, and then you can see now the Climber fix. And let's say we open a new chart window. So this one. So all you have to do is click and drag the Climber fix, and there. Drag it there. Allow live trading. Inputs. This is the default. I suggest don't touch it, and then just click OK. Okay. So always check the auto trading. It should be in color green, because if it's color red, it's not functioning. And of course, this one, it should be smiley face. That means your EA is now active. Okay. So that's how you, so now it just created a trade for us. So that's how you uh, install the EA. All right. Now, if you have any questions, just email us, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. And by the way, what are the different currency pairs that I suggest? Okay, so all pairs with the low spread. Okay, everything, yeah, it works on all pairs with low spread. So far, I used it in this one. These are the different currency pairs I used. A lot. So a lot. Okay, I'm an aggressive type, but so far so good. So you can see here, you can see in my account transaction. So total profit is 10,653 cents. So that's $106 in 10 trading days. 10 trading days, and it's not bad. Okay, started small, and all right. So hopefully that helped. Thank you so much, and God bless.